Hi everyone, karibu kwa channel. Today we are going to start preparations for a trip we have. I'm going to show you how we are going to get ready for this trip. My hubby is vacuuming the vehicle. We'll be taking this truck here, the red truck. This is the one we'll be taking. Hubby is vacuuming it and getting it clean and ready, and then I'll show you how he puts the cover on the bed of the truck. And there is my hubby doing the installation work. And like always, here is the dog, Storm, always keeping an eye on me. Storm, hi. Yeah, so that's what is going on today. We're almost done. We just have a small challenge with this clamp here and that clamp there. So this clamp is supposed to, you see where it's bumping? It's bumping here, so we need to find a way to work with this. We are going to find out how to make it work. That's what we do, but that's how it will look like. It's beautiful. That's the top of the vehicle. It will be secure. This is day 2, and day 2 we are going to be fixing the wagon that we are going to use.
Opening up our package. Cardboard. And a little bit of a bent sideboard. Perfect. Lock washers or lock nuts. See the little plastic thing in them, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lock.
Yeah, I see them on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me get something to spread that collar key.
This is how it looks for now, but we still need to put the sides. And that's our wagon. It drives like that. So the wagon is fixed, and we are going now to get another thing done. We have to try it in the bed of the truck and see if it fits under the bed of the truck with the cover on. So we need to try and see if it will fit there.
We'll have to take the sideboards off, but it'll fit.
Good. We just got back from Walmart and we got some stuff for our trip, some snacks and stuff that we think we might need. So we got some adult poncho raincoats, and then we got some snacks here and more snacks. And we got this cute tote. Inside the tote we have some supplies. These are soaps, toothbrush, well, if I can get it open, soap, toothbrush, deodorant, some Vaseline, toothpaste, and then here we have some beef jerkies, vanilla wafers, and that's it. This is very early in the morning. This marks the end of our packing video. I'll be bringing this small suitcase. This is enough for two, and this marks the end of our packing video. And see you on the road. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share the video. See you in the next one.